Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into University of Geneva. First, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down University of Geneva login and enter it after you're done. And after that, you need to click on the first option over here that says sign in. And here we could see the login to the portal right over here. Switch Edu ID login. Click that and you'll get into an interface like this where you are required with your email in order to log in. Simply type down your email that you are logged into your Geneva University and then you'll be required for your password as well. And after that, click on the login option and then you'll be successfully logged into your University of Geneva. But if you have forgotten or lost access to your password, click on this option that says forgot password in order to reset or recover it. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.